Hello again, this time for a very quick tutorial on fixing imported models. If you looked at the train example, you might have realized that some of the models here don't look quite right. So the colors on all those surfaces is off. It's actually not the colors, it's just the lighting and the normals of the faces you have to get right. And I'll show you how to fix that real quick. So here on that bench, you can select this U shape, and if you have a look, this is a group of 3 objects. So first of all, we open the group. Then we can select each individual object, and over here in the Modify tab you can see that this is an editable mesh, and down here you've got the editable mesh tools. It would be good if you would go and practice a little and listen to a 3D Studio edit mesh tutorial. There's a lot to do here. I will show you just the basics, how to fix these normal issues. To do that, you have to select all polygons. So you click on polygons here, and now you can select individual faces of this mesh. To select them all, you can easily press the Control 8 key, Control A, and this will select all of the faces. And then you go down to the bottom of this panel, and there you would see the smoothing groups group of buttons. And here all you need to do is press the Auto Smooth button. And now if you deselect the polygons icon again, you see that all those faces look right. And we can do this on all 3 parts. So we select polygons, Control A, and do an Auto Smooth, and disable the polygon selection. This is important, otherwise you can't select other objects. And again, select polygons, all of them, Auto Smooth. Here we go. And now our U-shaped bench holder looks much nicer. If you need to do this for a lot of objects, like here on this kitchen corner, that's a lot of work, so I'll show you how to do that a little quicker. If you select one of these parts and go over to your tree view, you see that the kitchen consists of many different objects, and this is a group, so we open the group. Oh, I already did. So now you can select all of the elements of the kitchen. So we start with number 0 and select all of them to 59. That's all of the objects. And then you can go over to the Modify list and select an Edit Mesh modifier. You find this under E, Edit Mesh. And this allows you to have the same functionality as you had for individual meshes for all of them at once. So we can go to select polygons, press Control A to select all polygons, and then we can do an Auto Smooth on all of these. Deselect the polygon selection, and our kitchen is fine. Okay, that's it.